Welcome guys, Betty here, featuring one of my favorite dishes at Cracker Barrel, this tasty broccoli cheddar chicken, tender chicken breast topped with broccoli and a delicious stuffing smothered in a tasty cheese sauce. One problem guys, this dish is only available on Wednesdays. I love it so much I decided to make my own version that I can enjoy any day of the week, right here and right now on Carblessly Delicious. So let's do it! As always, my lovely friends, all the ingredients in this recipe are listed for you in the description that you can easily access from your computer and mobile devices. And for those tuning in by television, here's a quick snapshot for you guys as well. For this recipe, you'll need chicken breast, broccoli, Ritz crackers, cheddar cheese, heavy whipping cream, and chicken broth. Exact measurements will be given throughout this video. Let's get started with seasoning our chicken. Here I'm blending together a few spices to create a delicious rub for our chicken. 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of tea salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. Sprinkle a light coating of olive oil over the chicken and massage it onto both sides of the chicken. This allows our rub to adhere nicely onto our chicken. Now we're going to rub and pat the seasoning entirely over the meat. Don't forget to flip the meat over to season the other side as well, covering every inch of our chicken, including along the sides here, to make sure our chicken is thoroughly saturated with all this delicious flavor from our blended spices. Now over to the cutting board. We have our fresh broccoli here, which has been rinsed and cleansed. I prefer to use fresh broccoli over the frozen broccoli in order to maintain a firmer bite. We're going to trim our broccoli down to small florets. First, remove the stalk. This part we don't need, so we can go ahead and discard it. Next, we're going to trim our florets into smaller pieces. Better yet, it may be easier just to pluck with our hands like this here to separate the individual florets. Place your florets into a bowl. Splash a little water into the bowl, and we're going to microwave the florets for 3 minutes to soften them a bit. And if you're using frozen broccoli, guys, go ahead and skip this step. Okay, guys, grab a saucepan. It's time to make our delicious cheese sauce. Super easy. On medium heat, pour in 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream, 1.5 cups of shredded cheddar cheese, and stir until the cheese is fully melted. Add in 1/4 cup of chicken broth and continue to blend the sauce together nicely. In goes our seasoning. I've blended together equal parts of black pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. 1 teaspoon of each should be fine. Continue to stir to combine all this delicious flavor to our sauce. Nice, looking good, guys. Now, my friends, all the delicious flavors in these Ritz crackers make the best dressing ever. I'm going to use my mini processor to crumble our crackers into a breadcrumb texture. Oh my God, guys, this adds such an awesome taste to our broccoli cheddar chicken, and it blends so well with our cheese sauce. It's going to give our casserole that same signature taste as the original dish that's served at Cracker Barrel. Now we can assemble our casserole and get it into the oven. Go ahead and follow along with me, guys. Now let's preheat our oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Cover your dish with foil and we're going to bake this baby for 45 minutes. Into the oven she goes. And here it is, my lovely friends, Betty's version of one of my favorite dishes inspired by Cracker Barrel's Broccoli Cheddar Chicken. It is so delicious. The chicken breast is super tender. Look at here, guys. It cuts like butter. Oh my God, it's so delicious. My friends, make sure you add this dish onto your menu. Plate it with some carrots and mashed turnips to keep this meal low carb and carblessly delicious. Be blessed, my darlings. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so already so you can get more delicious recipes like this. Videos are uploaded every week, transforming your favorite comfort and soul foods into delicious low carb and keto friendly duplicates. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.